Rome in a few minutes, your ultimate travel guide. Ciao everyone! Are you planning a trip to Rome and want to make the most of your time in this incredible city? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, we're going to show you everything you need to know about Rome in just a few minutes. From the city's rich history to its vibrant culture, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the best that Rome has to offer. In this video, we'll cover a brief overview of Rome's history and culture, the top 10 must-see attractions in the city, the best places to eat and drink in Rome, including local specialties and hidden gems, tips and tricks for getting around the city safely and efficiently, some essential Italian phrases. If you're searching for a travel guide to Rome or tips for exploring the city, you've come to the right place. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel content in the future. Welcome to Rome, the Eternal City. We're going to take you through a brief history of the city of Rome. Rome is one of the most historic cities in the world, with a history that dates back over 2,500 years. It was founded in 753 BC, and it quickly grew into a powerful empire. Over the centuries, Rome has been at the center of some of the most important events in history, from the rise and fall of the Roman Empire to the birth of the Renaissance. Today, Rome is a vibrant city that is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks, and it remains one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Now, let's get into the top 10 things that you absolutely can't miss when you're in Rome. The Colosseum, one of the most iconic landmarks in Rome, this ancient amphitheater was used for gladiatorial contests and public spectacles. The Vatican Museums, home to some of the world's most important works of art, including the Sistine Chapel and the Raphael Rooms. The Pantheon, a stunning architectural masterpiece that dates back to the 2nd century AD. The Roman Forum, the center of political and social activity in ancient Rome. The Trevi Fountain, a beautiful Baroque fountain that is said to bring good luck to those who toss a coin into it. The Spanish Steps, a grand staircase that leads up to the Trinita dei Monti Church. The Piazza Navona, a beautiful square that is home to 3 magnificent fountains. The Castel Sant'Angelo, a historic fortress that was once used as a papal residence and a prison. The Villa Borghese, a beautiful park that is home to several museums and galleries. The Appian Way, a historic road that was used for military purposes and is now a popular spot for cycling and walking tours. 10 foods you have to try in Rome. No trip to Rome would be complete without trying some of the city's delicious food. Here are 10 dishes that you absolutely have to try, along with the most recommended restaurants to try them at. Pizza al taglio, try it at Pizzerium. Carbonara, try it at Roscioli. Cacio e pepe, try it at Felice a Testaccio. Supli, try it at Supplizio. Tiramisu, try it at Pompi. Gelato, try it at Giolitti. Fried artichokes, try it at Nonna Betta. Spaghetti alla amatriciana, try it at Da Enzo al 29. Porchetta, try it at Erbacetto. Roman-style Jewish cuisine, try it at Baghetto. Rome can be a bit overwhelming to navigate, but there are plenty of safe and easy ways to get around. Here are a few recommendations on how to get around Rome safely. Walk or bike. Rome is a very walkable city, and many of its main attractions are located close to each other. Use public transportation. Rome has an extensive public transportation system that includes buses, trams, and a metro system. The metro is a quick and convenient way to get around, and it's also one of the safest modes of transportation in the city. Take a taxi or use ride-sharing apps. Taxis are widely available in Rome, and they're a safe and reliable way to get around. You can also use ride-sharing apps like Uber or Lyft to get around the city. Be aware of pickpockets. Unfortunately, pickpocketing is a common problem in Rome, especially in crowded areas like public transportation and tourist attractions. Avoid driving. Driving in Rome can be chaotic and stressful, especially for visitors who are not used to the city's narrow streets and aggressive drivers. As a tourist, it can be intimidating to navigate a new city, especially if you don't speak the local language. But fear not, we've got you covered with some essential Italian phrases. Scusi. This is the Italian word for excuse me, and is a polite way to get someone's attention, such as when asking for directions or ordering at a restaurant. Dove si trova. This means, where is, and is a great way to ask for directions to a specific location, such as a museum, a park, or a restaurant. Quanto costa? This means, how much does it cost? And is a useful phrase when shopping, buying tickets, or ordering food. Posso avere? This means, can I have? And is a polite way to ask for something, such as a menu, a glass of water, or a bill. Grazie? This means, thank you, and is a must-know phrase when interacting with locals, whether it's for their help or their service. Prego? This means, you're welcome, and is a common response to grazie. It's polite to acknowledge someone's thanks, even if it's just with a simple prego. Non parlo italiano? This means, I don't speak Italian, and is a useful phrase to have in case you need to communicate with someone who doesn't speak your language. Va bene? This means, okay, or all right, and is a useful phrase to use in many situations, such as confirming a reservation, agreeing to a price, or responding to a suggestion. Posso pagare con la carta di credito? This means, can I pay with a credit card? And is a useful phrase to have when dining out or shopping. Mi scusi, mi può aiutare? This means, excuse me, can you help me? And is a polite way to ask for assistance, whether it's for directions or other needs. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide to everything you need to know about Rome in just a few minutes. We hope that this video has given you a taste of all the amazing experiences that this city has to offer, but keep in mind that there are many other fantastic places to explore in Rome that we may not have had time to cover. So, if you have any recommendations for hidden gems or must-see spots that we didn't mention, please share them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest and greatest destinations around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao!